Hello. This presentation is the experiment about the proposition that moist cat food decreases body weight of domestic cats. My name is Jae-hyuk Jang, undergraduate of veterinary medicine in Jeju National University. This is an introduction of this experiment. Nowadays, many cat owners use two kinds of cat foods, dry food and moist food. Generally, many owners feed dry foods for their cat because moist food have more palatability. They think moist food can make their cat obese. In my case, I also thought moist food made my cat obese, so I gave moist food to my cat yearly. But does moist cat food really make cat obese? I found many articles that argue contrary opinions. Some say that moist food can trigger obesity because they have high fat ratio. Others argue that moist food are helpful in lowering the riskiness of obesity. Which is the right opinion? Therefore, this project will focus on whether moist cat food is effective or not on weight loss of domestic cats by recording my cat's body weight change. This is slide for experiment material. I used my cat Adisha. She is 38 months old female cat. She is fully grown and neutralized. Her breed is Maine Coon. I use dry and moist food. Dry food is the natural choice other catch for indoor, chicken and whole brown rice of neutral company. It has 3,613 kilocalorie per kilogram. Moist food is Royal Canin Instinctive of Royal Canin Company. It has 924 kilocalorie per kilogram. Other material is scale for measuring body weight of cats and food weight. Statistic processing follows. I use program G-Power to determine sample size. Group number is 2. One is dry food period and the other is moist food period. I use F-test with ANUVA. In the test, alpha error probability is 0.05. Effect size F is 0.58. Power is 0.95. See figure 1. It is X versus Y plot for a range of values. At effect size F 0.58 and power 0.95, proper total sample size is 42. That means sample size of each groups are 21. Experiment material follows. For first 42 days, feed 87 grams of dry food in a day to the cat. 87 grams of dry food is approximately 314 kilocalorie. For next 42 days, feed 4 pouches of moist food in a day to the cat. One pouch is 85 grams and 78.5 kilocalorie. That means I feed my cat total 314 kilocalorie in a day. And measure the cat's body weight every other day and record data. Data should be recorded at same time, and 7 o'clock p.m. It may reduce influence of times for body weight. This is body weight change over food intake. Red graph is weight change in dry food period and yellow graph is moist food period. I will handle this graph in discussion later. This is figure 3, average body weight after dry and moist food intake. Mean of body weight in dry food period is 6.52 and standard deviation is 0.03. Mean of body weight in moist food is 6.44 and standard deviation is 0.05. The result is significant as P is smaller than 0.05. It is discussion for this experiment. Dry food period shows no meaningful weight change, but moist food period shows meaningful weight decrease. Also, both graph shows temporary weight change. It may be result of feces in cat's intestine. Unfortunately, my cat defecated irregularly, so I could not exactly measure effect of feces on my cat. But it can be okay because the number of samples is enough. See figure 3. Mean body weight of moist food period is less than dry food period. The result is significant at P is smaller than 0.05. That means moist cat food decreases weight of domestic cat. It is conclusion and main title of this experiment. These are references. I could not find any research paper handling this subject, so I found articles arguing contrary opinions in veterinarian site. In these articles, some say that moist food can trigger obesity and others say that they are wrong. Anyway, my conclusion is moist food do not trigger obesity for domestic cat. Thank you very much.